We've mentioned it before, succession is the name of the game when it comes to vegetable production, and there's just 2 or so in our household, so we don't want too many runner beans at once. And this short row was sown 2 or 3 weeks ago, now nicely up and ready for a few canes. They just need slipping in there about every 12 inches or so, and they'll be running up there in no time at all. But alongside it, extending the row, I need to sow some more so that we just have a steady supply of fresh beans from midsummer right through into the autumn. I've drawn the drill, soil's pretty dry, and so I've watered the base of the drill and let that soak in, and then I've got my own saved runner bean seed that just needs sowing about every 2 inches or so. I like a really good stand, and as I've sowed my own seed, then I've got plenty, and once that's in, then it's a matter of covering that with my hoe, and we cover it with dry soil. And those seeds are then down in the moisture and will be up in no time. Great crop. I wouldn't want to be without runner beans each summer, and they freeze pretty well too if I do have a surplus.